Watson Institute students at Lynn University have fostered numerous change makers in the fields of social impact and entrepreneurship. DMD Network founder and CEO Daniel Miranda Duarte created DMD, which stands for Daniel's Initials. It's a company that has opened its doors to students, offering them a blueprint for achieving their life's mission. Reporter Swanson Gibson Jr. has the full story.
We all carry unique gifts and talents that have infinite potential. However, in order to access that, we have to peel back like an onion the layers of our own mind.
The DMD Network recently held a presentation panel in Lynn Snyder Sanctuary. DMD is a community of Lynn University and Watson Institute students that guides each other and others on their journey to self-discovery and purpose. DMD founder and CEO Daniel Miranda Duarte touches on the mission of this organization.
The DMD Network is a community on the path to self-discovery. You know, our generation is in a crisis because anxiety, depression, and loneliness is at an all-time high. I believe this is due to the lack of clarity. So everything we do in the DMD Network is to help people find their purpose, fulfill that purpose, and overcome their limited beliefs that stop them from living their dream reality. Therefore, shifting the youth from confusion and victim into clarity and empowerment. Who you are, that's your skills and your gifts. Why you're here to express your skills through that passion, right? That's your why you're here. And where you're going, that's your best case scenario. That's your destiny, that's your future, right? We're focused on helping people identify who they are, why they're here, and where they're going. That's their life statement. Everything we do here, this is the youth saving the youth. This is the youth helping the youth. Every instructor, every teacher in this class is a college student, and they themselves have went through a program that the DMD Network put together to become coaches. I believe that sometimes when it comes to helping the youth, you need to be taught by someone who understands your issues. And what better to teach you than people your own age that can give you examples relatable to you while cracking a joke here and there.
The evening gave way to several unique presentations about students' journeys and their progress in fulfilling their purpose and dreams. Sophia Dyer shared her perspective.
I think that this course helped me on this journey of self-discovery by identifying what I know about me right now and how that can actually help me on those things that are deep inside your mind that we don't know about. So this course taught me on how to think, how to question myself, and to reach to this mission that I would like to fulfill in my life.
And what would you say to others about those considering joining this initiative?
I will think it's a great workshop for them to join as to how, well, it will give them more purpose, more organization towards what they want to do. It's just gathering what you already have and basically understanding what you can do with it. So it's a very eye-opening course, and I fully recommend it to everyone.
For more information, you can search DMD Network on Instagram and contact any of the coaches with the key term purpose to get your journey started. Reporting for iPulse News, I'm Swanson Gibson Jr.
DMD